Here we go, guys. This is what we're working on today. 1969 American LaFrance fire truck. Don't get to work on them every day. Bleeding the brakes out. Guy bought it. He's gonna drive it to Chicago, I guess. So that's what we're doing today. Pretty cool old truck. Pumped? Yeah, we got air back here. You got a pedal, huh? Oh yeah, there we go. Come on in. That's what you call bleeding brakes. It's a very satisfying sound. Pump. Alright. Oh yeah, we got brake fluid squirting on the camera. This is nice. Alright. Pump. Pump it. Hold up. Shit, now we go. Goddamn it. I have it tight. Go ahead. Alright. You got a pedal? No fluid out of it. No air out of that one. Alright, pump it up. Oh wow, that's nice.
Get it?
Yeah. That's nice. 33 Ford.
Yeah, you gotta drill every hole for the dash and everything. All the doors had to all be cut down.
Really?
We sure did a beautiful job on it.
Who painted it?
Tommy Donlin, you know Tommy?
Yeah.
He helped me build it.
Sure is nice.